coming this Sunday evening, February 21st. Join our live at 5 and Vibe. Log on to youtube.com, Great Amaziyah. Hit the notification bell after you have subscribed. I, Amaziyah The Great, will be your host on the TDP show, interviewing 4 interesting guests you should know. Mark Gray, he's from the UK, an award-winning writer, producer, filmmaker. You should hear what he have to say when it comes to the latest dance move. And I know that Jamaicans carry the swing. Yeah, also joining our live will be dancer, actor, artist John Bling. Let the Shantoy Wint, 14-year-old female. Me just love what she a try. A remarkable young poet. She's aiming for the sky. Yeah, she currently attends Mona High. This brother right here, original from Trinidad, his name is Champion. A friend of Amaziyah The Great. He is an artist and currently resides inside the United States. So, nobody miss this. Different guests every Sunday at 5 p.m. The Tell Them Precisely show. Share this with your friends and make everybody know. Like us on Facebook. Tell Them Precisely. People with talents who now get to fair share. And remember, it's all about honesty. The truth about your opinion. We want the world to know.